Pepsi, delivering refreshment across the nation.
I love it here. The vibe is amazing.
And the drinks are perfectly chilled.
Absolutely. Cheers to that.
To the best shop ever!
Cheers. This Pepsi is so good.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Pepsi is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The syrup ratio is fluctuating again. Adjust the flow rate by 5%.
Acknowledged. Calibrating now.
Here, the precise formula is mixed, ensuring that Pepsi's iconic taste remains consistent worldwide.
The exact formula ensures Pepsi's iconic taste remains consistent worldwide, maintained through precise temperature control and rigorous mixing.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
The syrup ratio is fluctuating again. Adjust the flow rate by 5%.
Acknowledged. Calibrating now.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
The syrup ratio is fluctuating again. Adjust the flow rate by 5%.
Acknowledged. Calibrating now.
We need 2 more for the Phoenix run. Almost ready, just wrapping this one up.
And that's how Pepsi is made, from start to finish.